Hi, I'm Ron from Columbus RV, and we're here today to talk about maintaining your slide out seals. We recommend that you maintain your slide out seals at least once a season, and to do that you can go buy a commercially available rubber protective spray. That there's some out there made specifically for RVs. 3M makes one, there's others that make them, but make sure it has a UV protectant in it. And to do that, you want to clean the seals, what you want to do is you want to spray the sealant onto a rag and then wipe it right onto the seal. That prevents it from getting all over your fiberglass and sidewalls. So you can spray it onto the rag, wipe it on there, and what it does is it helps to lubricate the seals and keep them from drying out and cracking, and also helps reduce some of the friction from the slide out room running in and out, and just it'll maintain the seals and make them last a lot longer and give you more life out of your seals, which once your slide out seal's gone, you're gonna have some leaks, so you wanna keep those maintained. That's why we recommend doing it at least once a year. So if you have up here where we have some awnings going over the top, to get to those areas, you can take a stick and put a rag on it and spray the sealant onto the rag on the end of the stick, and then just get up there on a ladder and rub that on that seal the best you can from in between the awnings and the roof of the slide out. The rest of it's pretty easy to get to around the bottom and the sides. So like I said, we recommend doing it at least once a season, and it'll incredibly increase the life of your slide out seals.